Hey guys, it's Adris from Midshire TV. So today we'll be showing you how to tweak your notifications on Microsoft Teams. Let's go. There's quite a bit you can control, be it mentions, messages, highlights, and much more. You can see all the options for this by clicking on the three dots next to your profile photo and then clicking on settings and then notifications. Once you're in notifications, you can set your notifications to your choosing. You can edit your notification style, show message preview, play sound of incoming calls and notifications, edit your Teams and channels notifications, and much more. You can also create notifications for a specific person by clicking on the edit tab next to people near the bottom, and then entering the person you'd like to track. This will let you follow a person's status and get notified when they appear available or offline. It might be useful for tracking when someone comes online for a shift at a job. You can also do the same for chats and meetings. And there you have it guys. Now you shouldn't have to tweak your notifications guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe, like and comment down below what further training videos you'd like to see. And also guys, if you require any further information or training, give us a call on 08000 322 322 or check out other training videos for further help. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and just remember, we are the business communication experts.